Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries, and today's video is a walkthrough of our dumpster cleaning process with our brand new hybrid 2-in-1 EcoWash system. Now, this is our latest client, Atlas EcoClean, who was in town this past week for training. They did take advantage of the Kickstarter package, logo design, website, custom wrap on the truck. Flew them out here for training. All that is included in our Kickstarter package, and if you're thinking about doing this business, visit ecowashindustries.com to read more about that. Definitely giving you the best value to help you start your business. So when we start out, we hold these lids back. When you're flipping these dumpsters up in the air, they'll tend to fall forward. Once we have those backs, we extend out our arms. Knowing the size of dumpster you're cleaning, having the extension of just under 6 feet, so it's very important. This is an 8 cubic yard dumpster, so it's quite deep. So having our trucks have extensions is very important. And as you see, our EcoBlast spin heads rotating allows more efficiency in the cleaning process. Having 4 nozzles, again with high pressure and hot water, it certainly helps. You can see the plug and play here. This is our residential adapter. Weighs just under 45 pounds. This is all built out of aluminum. Very simple plug and play. Now remember, this truck is designed for dumpster maintenance. Having a residential adapter is just in case for them odd jobs where maybe a restaurant says, hey, I got 4 trash cans in the back, 96-gallon cans, can you take care of that too? You're not sitting there going, oh, well, I don't have that capability. Soap dispensers are standard, it's 100 PSI. Again, this just comes with the truck. 100 PSI 10-gallon soap dispenser. Being in this business for about 5 years, we've been through multiple meetings with municipalities and solid waste companies, and we find having a odor neutralizing degreaser, biodegradable degreaser, having them smell the soap and all that good stuff. These people around trash, they know what the smell is inside of this dumpster here. Over time, it just gets worn out, and to freshen them up, that's what this service is about. Obviously near restaurants and hospitals and stuff, you could just imagine how nasty these dumpsters get, and having the capability of reaching, again, just under 6 feet into this dumpster, having it over your hopper in which you'll capture all that dirty water, spray it out with up to 200-degree water. It's a great service. And with COVID and everything, we've actually had more opportunities this past year on the service side with municipality and solid waste companies because of COVID. They're now willing to listen and learn about the technology, the innovation we're creating with hot water, with soaps, with capturing that dirty water. We make this process in which every solid waste department of a city, every solid waste company has to maintain their containers at some point. If you're gonna be that company to step up, create the mobility, we could do things on site. You could cut budgets in half, maintenance budgets in half from last year by 50, if not 60%, 75% in some case. Why wouldn't they work with you? We're a company who does this service, so we want to teach our clients, our potential clients, to know how to do the business, so therefore we help this industry grow. When you grow, we all grow, and helping the industry scale is very important. This is why we stay very much involved with the growing of trash industry. Evolving our product to where it is today is very important. And we know our competitors are going to follow that leadership, in which we've seen it, and we're proud of this industry to grow where it is today. So we have a motto: let's work together, not against each other. We just want this industry to become normal, and working together is how that should happen. So if you'd like to learn more, give us a call, 480-789-0931. Visit ecowashindustries.com. Again, I appreciate all your time. Look forward to hearing from you. As always, make it a great day.